Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found that the images you're receiving in WhatsApp aren't showing up in your iPhone's gallery, you're definitely not alone. It's a common issue that many iPhone users face, but the good news is it's really easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to make sure your photos and videos from WhatsApp get saved directly to your iPhone's gallery. So, if you're ready to solve this problem, let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp app. Now tap on Settings down at the bottom. Next, go into Chats and look for an option that says Save to Photos. Make sure this is turned on so your photos and videos get saved directly to your gallery. Additionally, if you want WhatsApp to automatically download images, head back to the Settings menu. Then tap on Storage and Data. You'll see Media Auto Download with options like Photos, Audio, Videos, and Documents. Tap on Photos and choose when you want images to be downloaded. You can pick Wi-Fi if you want it to download only when connected to Wi-Fi, or choose Wi-Fi and cellular to allow it to download on both. And also do the same for video as well. If you have enabled low data mode, you'll need to disable that first. To disable low data mode, go back and open Settings, then navigate to Mobile Service, and navigate to Mobile Data Options, then Data Mode. From here, change it to standard or allow more data on 5G. Once you've enabled Save to Photos and set up auto download for your photos, your images should start appearing in your iPhone's gallery. So just follow these simple steps and you are all set. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.